Quarantine authorities initially banned schools from turning on air conditioners to stop the spread of the coronavirus. But the issue had sparked controversy as schools are to reopen soon, just when the weather is about to get hot. So the Education Ministry has changed the guidelines regarding the use of air conditioners in schools to address parents' concerns.
Schools in Korea will fully reopen by early June. With the upcoming summer expected to be particularly hot, concerns are rising over classroom temperatures. The Education Ministry initially banned the use of air conditioning in schools as COVID-19 spreads especially fast in enclosed spaces.
에어컨을 지금도 더운데 더 더워지면 못 틀면 너무 더울 것 같아가지고 걱정되긴 하는데.
Due to such concerns, the government decided to change related guidelines. Schools are now allowed to turn on the AC as long as classrooms are ventilated properly. However, they're urged to refrain from using air purifiers as filters can become contaminated.
마스크를 만지는 횟수가 증가하여 감염 위험이 높아질 수 있다는 전문가의 의견을 반영하여 여름에 냉방기기를 가동하되 모든 창문의 3분의 1 이상을 열어둔 채 가동할 것을 권장하였습니다.
The revised guidelines also require students and teachers to conduct daily self-exams before going to school.
메스꺼움, 미각 후각마비, 동거가족의 해외 여행력 및 자가격리 여부 등을 포함하는 해당 자가진단 항목을 보강하였습니다.
They must wear masks at all times except when having meals. PE lessons will only include activities that enable students to maintain a safe distance among one another.
농구나 축구 같은 경우는 이제 신체 접촉이 좀 많이 이루어지다 보니까 이번 1학기에는 그런 종목 대신에 이제 배드민턴으로 해서
Students who contract the virus or develop suspicious symptoms will be allowed to miss school without being marked absent. Individuals in high-risk groups, such as those with underlying health conditions and disabilities, can have their attendance recognized by submitting certifying documents and obtaining permission from their school directors in advance. Students will also be allowed to choose to learn from home when the infectious disease alert level is elevated to serious or alert.